We're back with Kinder Eggs, the dinosaur edition. I forgot to show that I got a T-Rex, and I didn't post that video about it. How was it saying? A while ago, I actually got these two in the first video, and now we're opening two more. All right, egg number 1. Moment of hope. Let's see. What did we get? Feels promising. I hope somebody. If I could guess it correctly, I think it's a Brachiosaurus. Oh, I just guessed it. I just got a Brachiosaurus. I just guessed it. That is actually cool. Here we have the regular map, the full collection. What I'm really hoping to get is or the Lambeosaurus, or like this, the Plesiosaur. Wow, I can't believe I guessed it. Let's see if I can guess it another time. Alright, moment of hope. So, let's see if I could guess this. I think it's a Giga. Well, that's actually alright, because I was trying to plan to repaint one of them, but still, I don't mind it. Here we got the Tyrannosaurus, which I actually got. So, well, it's actually kind of insane because I've seen like other videos trying to get the T-Rex, and I heard like it was really hard to get. But well, I have it, which is surprising. And yeah, this is so far my collection. We got the Sinoceratops, the Velociraptor, got the two T-Rexes, and the Brachiosaur. Not bad. So since I have gotten the duplicate T-Rex, and this duplicate T-Rex, this map, I already have the other map of the other T-Rex. Now I'll use this so I can checklist. So I've gotten the Velociraptor, Sinoceratops, Brachiosaurus, and T-Rex. What I'm really hoping for is the Lambeosaurus. If you haven't heard it, it's basically a relative to the Parasaurolophus over here, or like the Plesiosaur, which is surprising. They choose a Plesiosaurus instead of Mosasaurus, since Mosasaurus is more well known. But Lambeosaurus, there aren't that many figures of Lambeosaurus out there. And yeah, that was it. Thanks for watching. And this video was